Hello, my beautiful traders. This is Zach from Harvest Trade, and I'm super happy to make another video for you. I'm glad to welcome you to our new video. And today, as always, we're going to talk about a new topic that will help you to understand the world of trading better. And also, as always, we're going to make two new deals with our currency pairs that will hopefully give us some more Fed pluses. So guys, I think we should not waste any more time, and our first currency pair for today is the pair of euro and Canadian dollar. So let's get to the technical analysis of this pair. As we can see from our first pair that it went through a steady growth from the support line, started from which it went up for a very long time without large and sharp impulses down. This is a very interesting situation, and the only question is when will the moment of the resistance line happen from which our pair will bounce off and go down, and I believe that moment will happen now. So let's point to a drop in price. This is a very interesting pair to work with, and I'm very much interested to see if my prediction is wrong or right, and if will drop, at least a little bit of drop happen right now. I hope the answer is yes. And now guys, let's talk about our topic for today, the Gann swings. There are so many legends and various esoteric stories about William Delbert Gann that he began to resemble some kind of mythical creator and not a real-life trader. There is no doubt that Gann was one of the most impressive stock traders in terms of his achievements. At the same time, his theories are absolutely unbearable for the layman. Obviously, he is an ordinary urban madman, but he managed to go from $100 in the 1920s to $30,000 or more. And in those days, for $350, you could buy a Ford car. You can safely extrapolate to modern incomes. And in fact, Gann made over $1 billion on the stock exchange and the current rate. We will not delve into the foundations of his numerous stock theories, consider his charts, reminiscence of spells to summon spirits from the underworld. I would also not recommend getting carried away with these theories too much. Very often I saw a very amusing picture of the Western Forex forums. The man still decided to overpower Gann, about which he proudly informed everyone. The old-timers of the forum made sad eyes and sadly said goodbye to a citizen who, without realizing it, signed an agreement with the devil. A year later, the man reappeared and talked about his results. It turned out that he already began to understand something, and soon probably he will understand a little more. But it takes time. And left again. This time forever. No one else returned. I don't know where the traders who decided to overpower Gann disappear. Perhaps they are being sucked into another dimension, probably being eaten by Cthulhu. Therefore, we will not tease demons, but will study only a particular practical manifestation of his system, Gann swings. So guys, you need to understand that what we are mostly doing is learning and getting more and more knowledge about the things and the topics that can literally help you to understand how the trading is working. So even if you see something tough, believe me, it takes just some time to understand how all these things work. And what I'm very sure about and what I actually experience myself is that the more time you learn about all of those things, the better you understand how these things works, and it's not as difficult for you anymore when you actually put some time into getting to know more information about trading. So guys, if you are not afraid of developing as a trader, if you are not afraid of giving more time to this, then believe me, it will pay off for you massively, because what we are looking for is the long-term success and long-term earnings. And now guys, as you can see on your screen, that our first currency pair for today gave us the result we want, and I'm super happy about that. And now please don't forget to first of all subscribe, leave the like and a comment to this video, and also don't forget to follow the link in the description down below and join our Telegram channel, a free channel where I give out my advices for free every single day, and also most importantly a VIP channel where people are earning the real money because they are getting 8 signals per day that help them to earn money. So if you want to be one of those people, believe me, you are very much welcome there, and I'm waiting for you there in my channel. And believe me guys, each time after I see how new people come to our traders family, it's more and more pleasant for me to make those videos for you. I super happy when I make these videos. And now guys, let's get to the technical analysis of our second currency pair, the pair of Australian dollars and Japanese yens. And on the screen we can see how our pair gradually went down in price with periodic upwards impulses. But now I'm sure that this pair will continue to fall in price, and this is what I want to point out. And now guys, let's talk a little bit about Gann swing classifications. Swings are candlesticks patterns that are based on the boundary values of the price. We already familiar with them. It was Gann who offered 3 types of swings: single bar, 2 bar and 3 bar. Let's consider an example of 1 bar swings, and for the sake of experimentation, exactly on bars. Their essence is simple. When the current bar is higher than the previous bar in an uptrend in terms of its highs and lows, this is a 1 bar swing, and vice versa for descending. Double bar swings. Here we need 2 bars in a row that update each other highs and lows. It is also necessary to take into account the inside-outside bars, which we will use when building swings. We skip inside bars when counting. We only need bars that update highs or lows. As for the outside bars, they must be higher or lower than the previous bar. And let's talk about 3 bar swings. We already understood how swings are built. This is a sequence of bars or candles that update lower or upper highs and lows. When a candle updates the values of the previous one, it is the top or bottom, and accordingly the first in the sequence. When the price rises, we simply connect their upper values with a line. And you guys might have a very logical question. Swing Gann. Do I need them? Swings by their nature show the trending essence of the market. This is no indicator system based on the highs and lows and their updates, so it complements price action, trend lines and fee as well. Swings reflect the price itself, only movement devoid of embellishments and unnecessary detail. Gann swings give us the opportunity to build such trends and determine entry zones. With techniques like the Manhattan chart, we can also use them to form support or resistance line. This is first of all a trend trading system that eliminates market noise, filters out unnecessary market movements, and perhaps one of the most easy to understand concepts of Gann. So I would advise not to dig into the depths of this theory, focusing on the most simple applied aspects, which are exactly swings. So guys, as you can see that if you think more about all of this stuff and if you spend more time understanding how this thing works, it will be much easier for you than it is for you right now. So don't be afraid to put more time in your knowledge of trading, because believe me, as I said before, it will pay off for sure. And you also need to understand that trading in general is for someone who is not afraid to make mistakes. And believe me, you will make a lot of them. So if you are afraid of mistakes and you will react like it's the end of the world after every mistake you make, believe me, trading will absolutely eat you out. It will absolutely destroy you. So believe me, you should learn how to react more calmly. Guys, there is nothing better to see how your currency pair give you the result you want, because our second currency pair ended up in the way we wanted. And I would like to remind you once more, that if you want to support our channel, you should follow it. You should also leave a like and a comment on the below, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channels, a free channel where I give out my advices for free every single day. So literally, people are getting free signals which help them to earn more money. It's absolutely for free. And also, if you want to get 4 times more signals, and if you want to make trading your life profession that helps you to provide for your life and your family, you should join our VIP channel, because there you can get 4 times more signals. And believe me, that is a very important thing for you, because while you will learn how to do trading and how to understand trading, you will not lose money, you will earn money. And that is exactly why we are doing trading. Anyways, Zach from Harvest Trade was with you. I was super happy and super glad to make this video for you, and I'm waiting for you in our next videos. I wish you all to have a fantastic day. Bye bye.